Introducing Watts UV Calm, the highly effective and easy to maintain ultraviolet light disinfection solution designed to defend building occupants against potentially harmful waterborne illnesses. Using just the power of ultraviolet light, UV Calm inactivates Legionella bacteria, resulting in a reduction of up to 99.9999%, or a 6-log reduction. UV light destroys Legionella's ability to multiply and contaminate, protecting your property's occupants against potential waterborne illness. Powered by exclusive Crossfire Technology, Watts UV Calm features a state-of-the-art dual UV lamp design, delivering 360-degree UV light emission. This significantly reduces microorganism shielding by solid particles and allows for powerful disinfection of source water with hardness levels as high as 50 grains per gallon and iron levels up to 3 milligrams per liter, without the need to use softeners or other scale control solutions. Watts UV Calm is engineered for hassle-free maintenance. Automatic self-cleaning wipers and built-in purging reduce fouling of the quartz sleeve by mineral scaling and biofilm, making it significantly more effective than conventional UV systems in difficult water applications. Plus, with its building automation system integration capabilities and built-in full-color touchscreen, UV Calm offers simple, seamless control and monitoring of disinfection performance. Unlike chemical-based disinfection processes, Watts UV Calm provides environmentally friendly water treatment, producing no potentially harmful disinfection byproducts and eliminating the need for harsh chemical cleaners. Empower your customers to protect what matters most against dangerous waterborne contaminants. For additional details on this product, connect with your Watts rep today.